Good day, Ma'am Sabatin. Good day, classmates. We are the group 6. So, before that, we'll talk about Module 16, Cognitive Development of the Pre-Scholar by Ms. Rita D. Lucas and Brenda B. Corpus. So, learning outcomes. In this report, you should be able to describe the cognitive development that takes place among pre-scholars, apply concept on pre-scholars' cognitive development and preschool teaching and its child care. Take an informed stand position in current preschool teaching practices. Introduction. Someone once wrote in his journal, childhood is a world of miracle and wonder, as if creation rose, bathed light out of darkness, literally new, fresh and astonishing. The end of childhood is when things cease to astonish us, when the world seems familiar, when one got used to existence, one has become adult, by Eugene Ionesco. So in this journal, Eugene talks about childhood being a carefree generation or a pathway. So in UNESCO, he talked about how child has no worries and is free to all of the worry in the world. So by another route by J. Robert Oppenheimer, there there are children playing in the street who could solve some of my top problem in physics because they have modes of sensory perception that I lost long ago. Pre-scholars' thinking is dominated by symbolic and initiative thought, marked by egocentrism, animism, and limited logical reasoning, reflecting the characteristic of Piaget pre-operational stage. So in Piaget pre-operational state, pre-scholar has two thought, which is symbolic and initiative thought. That explains Piaget pre-operational stage of cognitive development, particularly focused on preschool children, and this stage has two substages. Symbolic substage. Children use symbols, engage in pretended play, and show increased use of language. So example dyan is ang children pretend nga ang isa ka block or isa ka dulaan ay isa ka cellphone. While ang blanket ginapretend nila nga kay superhero nga cape. So in initiative substate, children begin reasoning based on intuition rather than logic and ask many questions. So initiative asks about why did the house built? Like motana sila nga nganong ang balay motubo ra daw sa yuta. Well dili sila nangutana ngano ang balay nga gibuhat di ay dili day nitubo ra gibuhat di ay gamit ang gibuhat sa tao. So we have three key characteristics of preschool thinking. Egocentrism, difficulty seeing perspective other than their own. So example of egocentrism is when ang bata kay itaguan niya iya, tumagtago siya gamit iyang kamot niya pag maguna-una na siya nga dili nimo siya makitaan kay ang ingon niya nga nagtago lagi daw siya. Well sa animism, attributing life like qualities to inanimate object, thinking thunder switch on by someone. So diri sa animism ang bata gating nga ang isa daw ka isa ka bagay kay o isa ka dulaan naapoy feelings or something nga ginating nga pareho ra sila huna sa centration and lack of conservation, struggling to understand the quantity remains the same despite changes in shape or appearance. So diri kapag ang bata taga nimo og pareho nga baso, pareho unod nga tubig or juice niya pag ibalin nimo na sa dako nga baso, maguna-una na sila ang mas dagan katong sa taas na baso. Kay mao may nakita nila nga dako. Pre-scholars show cognitive limitation such as centration, lack of conservation, irreversibility, and focus on perceptual features, highlighting key characteristic of Piaget pre-operational stage. So diri ang stage, mag-focus ta sa mga cognitive limitations sa isa ka preschooler student. This continues to elaborate on the cognitive limitation of preschoolers during Piaget pre-operational. So there are 5 key cognitive limitations in preschooler Piaget pre-operational stage. The first one is centration. Preschool children focus on one aspect of a situation. Example, height of beaker while ignoring others like width, which affects their judgment. This leads to failure in conservation tasks. Example, thinking a taller glass has more liquid. So, based on the picture nga nakita ninyo, kapag ang parera ni siya ganina sa conservation nga, kapag ang bata patagan nimo duha ka baso nga pareha ra unod niya kapag ibali na nimo siya sa taas o dako nga baso naunaon nila nga katong dako ug taas sa baso ang mas daghan ug unod. So sa unidimensional thought, a form of centration where attention focused rather than multiple factors. So diri ang bata once na makatagan nimo isa ka dulaan, mag-focus na siya dira di na siya magtan-aw sa uban nga na mas nindot pa nga dulaan. Conservation. The understanding that quantity remains the same despite change in shape or appearance is lacking in preschooler. So diri pag same lang jud siya sa concentration. Kay ang bata ga focus siya kung unsa ang mas dako, mas dagan. Di na siya ga base kung gamay ra na siya, pareha ba na sila o dili. Attention to perceptual feature. Preschoolers are more influenced by flashy or attractive cues than by important but subtle feature. For example, they choose gift based on bright ribbons, not what inside. So diri ang bata once natagan nimong regalo, kung kita nila nga katong regalo kay nindot og balot, di na sila magunaw na unsay sulod. Kay ilang ginauna nindot ni kay nindot ang gawas. So sa irreversibility, they cannot understand that action can be reversed. Example, if juice is poured out, they don't realize it can be poured back and on to return to the original state. So diri same lang yun siya sa conservation ug centration. Kay ang bata basta lahi magudugunahon na ang bata sa tua kay ang baso basta naanay unod ibalin-balin na nimo pag ibalin nimo balik makaingon na siya nga pareha di sila kay walay nagbag-o pareha lang tanan. The remarks and example provided, example child noodling on the phone or believing thunder is switched on, highlight this limitation in preschool cognitive development. Preschool demonstrates symbolic and transductive reasoning, supported by rapidly developing brain connection that enable early cognitive and language skills. So, na-talk naman na to about sa ilahang mga perspective sa mga bagay-bagay. So, kato na pang itok ang about sa ilahang brain. Preschooler use transductive reasoning, linking unrelated events based on superficial similarities rather than logic. Example, once again, believing one's event causes another without true connection. They begin to use symbolic thought, imagining or pretending one object represents another, like pretending a stick is a saw or a dog in a play. Symbolic abilities show in language, play, drawing, and reading, indicating mental representation event, even in the absence of object or person. So diri ang bata ga focus lang kung unsay makita nila, kung unsay magunitan, unsay matilawan, unsay ilang ma-feel. So diri na ta mag-talk about brain connection in the preschool years. Brain development of young children have been of great interest to the field of early childhood. Brain research finding point as to more effective ways to care for and teach preschoolers. from science lesson you had in high school or even elementary. You will remember that our brain is composed of numerous cells called neurons that connect to each other to function. Cell connection are well synapses, sometimes also referred to as synaptic connection. The human brain, so iyang example is the human brain, dili, ang iya paning, the human brain contains some 50 billion neurons at birth. By age 2, children have developed half of the brain cell connection that will made during one's lifetime. Around 6 years of age, the brain develops for more sophisticated thinking patterns. So, na-study na naman nato ni sa elementary high school about sa science, about unsay naa sa tong brain, how pila ka buok neurons or pila ka buok cell ang nakapalibot. So same goes lang sa gistudyan nato ang preschool cognitive development about sa una-una sa ginabuhat sa mga bata. So on the other hand, high stress environment or example trauma, chaos can impair brain development, affect emotional growth, and lead to behavioral problems. So diri natin makita bata nga naay problema sa ilang pangutok kanang nakasurround sila sa isa ka balay o isa ka environment nga puno og away makakuha sila makadevelop sila trauma sa kana nga pangitabo. Lack of hands-on experience, example, relying only on worksheets can also harm development. So, dili dapat ang isa ka bata dili lang nimo ipa-focus sa isa ka i-focus sa worksheet. Dapat tudluan pud nimo siya unsa ang pag-research about o mag-dig deeper pa sa ilahang knowledge. Teacher and caregivers play a key role in providing an environment that supports optimal brain development. So diri ang preschooler need pa gyud nila og attention o guidance sa isa ka teacher. Kay dili pa man nila kaya nga sila lang. Kailangan pa gyud nimo sila bantayan. In terms of language development, children often understand more than they can say as they grow their grasp of language rules. Morphology, semantics, pragmatics increase. Language development in preschool is closely tied to cognitive growth, enabling them to express complex thought, form question, and engage in meaningful and social interaction. So diri sa language, diri ta magbase kung ang bata hawd na ba mangistorya o fluent na ba sila. Kay namay uban bata god na bisag ginatudloan na sila unsay mga tarong word, dili gyud po sila katuon kay slow learners. Dili sila paspas makatuon. So diri maglisod sila, mas dali nila matun-an kung isulti kaysa imuhang ipabasa sa ilaha. So symbolic thinking during the preschool years includes language literacy and the use of symbols to represent object, people, and events. So diri importante gyud ang bata palibutan og mga tao o gadong mga tao nga kabalo mo tudlo og language kanang tarong, walay pamalikas kanang makatuon sila og maayong batasan. Preschool rapidly develop vocabulary and grammar, allowing them to express thoughts and feelings, tell stories, ask and answer questions, communicate with others effectively. So diri sa kaninga part kay makatuon na ang mga bata og mapa-broader o mapa-widen pa nila ilang vocabulary o grammar. Kay ma-express naman jud nila tarong ilang mga feelings, makasulti sila sa ilang mga stories o mga naitabo sa ilahang kinabuhi as nag-aasa pud sila og question ug nag-answer sa question kung kabalo sila ug naga-communicate sila sa tao nga effectively kanang dili magataog ka ng negative maguna-una lang kung unsay positive. However, they may struggle with sentence structure such as forming question in the right order. So diri ang makita mo tagbata nga maglisod pa jud og buhat og sarili niyang question. Kay namay uban nga dili jud literal na how ana kay maglisod man jud ta kay dili man jud na dali nga bulhaton. Understanding passive voice. Example, the car was pushed by the truck. As language improves, children become better conversationalists using grammar and vocabulary to engage in more complex communication. Parents, teacher, and caregiver play a crucial role in monitoring and supporting language development if delays are present. Children may benefit from help from speech pathologists. So diri ang bata ma-improve lang iyang language kung tudloan nimo siya hinay-hinay. Gamitan nimo og passive voice. Kanang voice nga dili ka dali masuko kanang musabot lang ka kay dili man dali og dili pud lalim magtuon isa ka language yung kabalo kang lisod. So, that's all my topic. Let's go and let's listen to Cabrera.
Okay, guys. So this is about language development. Language development. Young children understand sometimes gets ahead of speech as a children go through early childhood. Their grasp of other rule of language increase morphology, systematic, and pragmatics. And symbolic thinking involves language literacy, dramatic play. Children rapidly concludes that sounds link together to make work words uh, words and words present ideas people and think through the preschool years. Children language development become increasingly complex. The the four main areas: Photology, speech, sounds, semantic, word meaning, and syntax, sentence construction, and pragmatics, conversion or social use of language. So, ang pasabot ay diri na kuan is all about sa sounds po, sounds sa kuan sa gitugdo. Sa mga sometimes magud ang mga bata kay more on dramatic play, kanang dramatic play or mga dula-dula. Mga example ani is not common to preschool children using good for went foot for or for feet. So ang kuha nila sa ilahang tiil to kuha nila sa ilahang tiil to kuan. So ang phonology kay speech of sounds kanang clear niya iyahang voice sa audience niya or kuan. So semantic words meaning kanang kuan na jud niya iyang meaning sa iyang mga words kanang ipa-clear niya. So ang syntactic sentence construction like syntax or tinatawag na sentence construction is like ano siya mag-construct na siya mga words like where is your home or sa pan. Then ang pragmatics conversation or u- social uses of language is all about it's all about kanang mga conversations sa laing people or sa iyang parents, friends or teachers. Then exam so man so language social interaction Vygotsky. So this is the theory of Vygotsky. So Vygotsky believed that young children use language both communication communicate social and to plan socially and to plan and guide and monitor their behavior in a self-regulatory and fashion called inner speech or private speech kung sa Suntrack 2002. So ang pasabot dayan hindi ang mga bata daw is all about ilang mga communication kay all about social social yun sila. Tapos naapoy mo guide nila sa ilahang mga self-regulatory or fashion like napo na sila inner speech sa ilang sarili or private speech sa ilang rapong sarili. So so Vygotsky assessed that preschool children use unable to achieve their highest cognitive development. Language language development include on their own and that they improve their cognitive development through use of scaffolding for more skilled children and adults. and he introduced the term of zone of permissive development ZIP or tinatawag na ZPD to be mastered with the guidance and assistant adults or more skilled children. So ang pasabot ni Vygotsky ani kay is is, ang scaffolding na ginatawag nato or kuan mo na siya ang ginatawag na makalip sa atua like ang mga bata and adults need you daw og kuan guidance sa mga kuan sa naman yung mga more on skills sa ato or kuan mga bata na more or skills muntong mao na siyang gikuan na zone of professional development. Information process theory, attention and memory. The attention information process model is another way of examining and understand how children development and cognitive this mode conceptualize conceptualize certain mental process through the metaphor of computer process encoding, storing, and decoding data. The preschoolers' attention spans last longer than the children ability to pay attention change vivid during preschool years. So ang pasabot ani niya ang bata daw ay kuan daw more on sa kung sa bata daw kay more on kuan nang gusto sila maka-learn kung kuan more on kung maka-interest sila sa ilahang benefits pod more like computer like encoding and storing and decoding. So ang pasabot aning sa encoding nag-encode ang bata sa kanang lesson nila karon. So ma-restore na nila, tapos maka na may ang uban bata makalimot man jud sa uban na mga details sa gituglo sa ilaha. So naay ginatawag nato na recap. So mo na siyang decoding data. Then among of the interesting question about memory in the person years are those involving short-term memory. In terms of short-term memory or STM, retain information for up to 15 and 30 seconds. Assume their rehearsal, which can help keep information STM for a much longer period or kung kuan subtract 2,000. Difference in memory span across the age due to rehearsal, rehearsal and B speed efficiency of processing information. So ang pasabot ani niya sa mga rehearsal mo na yung gitawag ingon ako kanina na i-rehearse siya, murag ibalik siya, then so ang bata makakuan siya speed of processing murag dili na niya makalimtan kung ibalik-balik sa iya ha. So next, language and socialize are vit- vital to preschoolers cognitive development child child learn through guidance and participation and communication and more knowledge to others. So ang pasabot ani ang bata ani kay makig language daw to social makig socialize or makigkuan sa mga other bata, makigkuan more knowledge sila kay lahi-lahi man jud tag experience. So ang kang Vygotsky pod kay emphasize the language develop in social emerging for interaction with others rather than unfolding naturally. So, emphasize the language and development in social. So, ang bata ani, makig-socialize siya sa mga other kids. Kung sa laing kids, like, makig-socialize siya even na parent niya or kuan kay nindot man makig-socialize contrast sa magbuot-buot ra ka sa imuhang sarili. So, he introduced that zone of permissive development or ginatawag na ZPD is the gap between what children can do alone with and what they can do guidance effective learning happen when more skilled individual helps children perform a task and process called scaffolding. So mo na siyang gitawag na kuan na dapat mo ni siya bata na socialize dapat siya para makatuon siya sa laing okay. So mo na siya the gap between the child they can do alone and what they can do without guidance. So ang bata ni magbuot kaning kuan ang bata ni magbuot-buot or kuan na unsay makuan niya sa iyang sarili or sa iyang sarili kung magbuot-buot siya o unsay feeling na makakuan siya sa guidance sa lain. Tama. Ipus ra na ay kuan na ayun na yun. Ayaw lagi dan. what can what a child can do alone and they what they can do with guidance. So ang bata ni kung pasagdan na nimo kay magbuot-buot ra daw ni siya. Buot-buot daw ni siya sometimes ay so ba ganito kay ganito guidance. So ang bata ani kung pasagdan na nimo siya magbuot-buot ra jud na siya sa iya jud dahil sa iyang nahibal-an. Then sa lahi ra pod na kung naay mo guide sa iya like aning ingon na learning effective happens when more skilled individual helps the child then perform a task. So ang kaning na side na pod ani kung ang bata ani kay more skilled na siya sa iyang mga task dili na siya kailangan na i-help pa or kuan pero need pa gyapon din siya i-help kay bata pa man siya. So, mao ni siya ang mga pictures na kuan. So, zone for development, out of reach, zone of permission development, learning to scaffolding, then current understanding can unsa assisted. So, ang kuan ni pasabot ani niya kay ang bat mo ni ako giingon ganina na ang bata need jud og mga kuan, need jud og guidance. Or kaning gitawag na to or more knowledge for others kana mga example diri ana ang parent, teacher, coach or mentor or peers kanang kauban nato or mga older siblings. So mao ni siya ang comfort zone. So need yun nato muhawa sa comfort zone kay para makatuon ta kay napaman yun ang fear zone kanang mahaglok ta mga stage frights. Then naay learning zone. Diri na ta makabalo sa learning zone and growth zone. Diri na mag-grow na ta sa atong mga knowledge ug mga paan pa. So nanay sensory input, sensory memory like unsettable information is lost. So mao ni siya ang mga memories nato na murag mawala-wala siya. So dapat makuan jud ta sa attention. Moabot ato tag attention short term memory. So mao ni siya ang gitawag na gitawag ni siya short term memory kay mao na siyang gibalik kung sa katong giistorya nako past slides na ang atong utok kay murag makalimot siya bantog mao ni siyang i-maintenance nato ang rehearsal o ibalik-balik nato ang ato ang mga discussion para ang bata maka tuon siya makabalo siya. So mao na siyang long term memory. Sometimes information might be lost over time. So mao na gyapon ni balik na punta sa short term. So magbalik-balik ka na siya hantod na mantog makuan na siya murag memorize nimo ang kuan or kuan study mo na siya gikuan sa study. So cognitive development skills, learning, problem solving, o memory, attention. Mo na siyang gikuan na ang learning nato kay kuan jud ta mag-learn jud ta so if ang natun-an nato kuan na solve nato kung makaya nato solve og napo tay memory so mo ning mga memorize or kuan nato i-memorize nato atong mga gipatun-an or mga gistudian or kuan. So magkuan jud ta sa attention nato. So analytic language. One word like car, then two word go car, then phrase go blue car. So ang sentence na nato ani kay my blue car goes fast. So atong sakyanan kusog ng dagan. Kita. The young children theory of mind. Theory of mind refers to individual truth about how mental process works or Samtra 2002. By by the age by the age of 2 or 3, children become aware of the mind exists. They refer to needs, emotion, mental state when they preschool child say, I forgot my doll, I want my ice cream, they imply that he or she is aware that that a mind exists, or cognitive terms such as know, remember, and think usually appear after perceptual and emotional terms but are used by age 3. So ang kanina edad mga 2 o 3 murag makakuha na sila, makaistorya na sila tarong, magdaan na sila makakuha na ang utok daw kay na-exist daw sa atoa daw, like makakuha siya, ay nakalimot ko sa ako ang dulaan, or gusto siya kuan, gusto siya og ice cream mo na siya. So as the representation of the world and ability to remind and solve problem improve, children start to reflect of their own thoughts process. They begin to construct theory of a mind, or a set of ideas about mental activity or preschool cognitive development. Sa 2007, this is mark, developed markedly between the age of 3 to 5. It includes awareness of the one thought process, social and cognition, and understanding that people can hold false belief. So mao ning siyang mga bata na kuan na 3 to 5 na makakuha na sila mga atik-atik, so mga false belief nila. So mga kuan magkuan po na sila diri na process po na silang thoughts na nahunaon nila unsa jud tong gipasabot sa tigo sa kuan sa people na ilang na interact or kuan. So mag problem solving po na sila, like problem, like math solving, mag-solve na sila unsa, so ikuan yun na nila sa ilahang brain. Ano ba? Receptive language. Standards 1. The children is able to understand both verbal and non-verbal forms communication. So 31 to 36 months or 3 to 4 years old speaks simple sentence, talks about event, and is understood. So ang pasabot diri ang bata mo istorya na sila mga simple sentence like mama, papa, or ate, kuya. So talks to understand event is understood. So diri gi understand nila unsa ilang mga gipang istorya. Ilang gipang istorya. So 37 to 48 months use some preposition, use plurals, use past tense, and newly learned and appropriately in sentence. Newly learned and word appropriately when it's group conversation. So mo ning mga 37 to 48 months ilahang mga sentence ani more clear na kaayo siya. Clear, tapos maka-group na jud sila, like moingon sila, ma uh, mama, where are you going, like that. So 49 to 60 months or 5 4 to 5 years old draw and tell stories about his drawing. So ang bata ani mag-drawing jud ni sila. So mag-drawing sila stickman, tapos i-action na nila, so is buhatan na lang nag-story ilahang gi-drawing, like para ma-entertain pud sila. Next, pre-reading and pre-math matching. Standards 1.1, that the children is able to match identical object, colors, or shape symbols. So 31 to 36 months or 2.5 to 3 years old match identical object like two attributes like color and shape. Matches identical uppercase letters, matches identical lowercase letters. So naa po na sila kuan. Mo na ang ginakuan nila ang mga bata diri ay makakuan na sila og color og shape. Then makakuan po sila og mga case of letters like mga dagko na letters o mga gagmay na letters. So ang 37 and 48 months 3 to 4 years old copy simple patterns with two or more attributes like color, shape, sequence, and continuous without guidance. So without guidance, recognize familiar logos like McDonald's, Score, or etc. Re- recognize sign or male or female restroom, stop and go, danger and poison, etc. And identical to four letters and match identical single digit numbers and match identical two-digit numbers. So, ang mga bata dre more knowledgeable na sila dre ah. So, ang bata ni makabalo na sila og say color og shape og sequence nila. So, kanang mga bata dre like makakuha na sila, makabalo na sila without guidance. Like, maka-recognize sila sa McDonald's. Uy, McDonald's man, pagkaunan man dra ah. O female and male. So, ang bathroom, like, ato sila sa, kung babae sila, mo ato sila sa male, then mo ato sila sa, kung lalaki sila, ato sila sa male. Tapos makabalo po sila og kani delikado man na lugar or dili. So, makakuha na po na sila mga letters like, kuan, kanang like, have na word or kuan kanang hate na word or love na word. So makuha po na sila og single digit like makakuha na kabalo na sila sa mga numbers like 1 to 1 to 10 then 10 to 20. Pre ano ba? Pre-reading and copying letters and numbers. Standards 1.2. The children able to recite the alphabet and numbers sequence. Prints prints uppercase with a model with a some reversal. So, mga mga bata na makabalo-balo na sila og mga i-print nila sa ilahang utok like mga uppercases na ginasulat nila. So, for 49 to 60 months or 5 to 5 years old, Prince complete name of without model. So, makasulat na sila sa ilang pangalan, silahang pangalan na walay mutuglo. Then, Prince uppercase lower with modest no reversal. So, butan silang pangalan like mga lowercase or uppercase, mga dagko ba o gagmay, like aning lowercase letter with model with some reversal. Prince na Prince number 1 to 5 with at model. So, makabalo na sila unsay mga numbers. Then, 61 to 71 months, 5 to 6 years old, parents case letters with that model of no reversal, then lowercase letter with that model with no reversal. Parents number with a 5 model with no reversal. So, murag nagbalik-balik na itong discussion diri like, ang bata ani, murag nakabalo na sila sa mga sentence, numbers, and silang mga names or kung saan nila paggamit sa word. So, standards 1, the or ginatawag na domain cognitive development attention and activity level. The child is able to sustain attention and modulate his activity at age expected level. So 31 to 36 months, 1 to 1.5 to 3 years old 3 years old. Complete the simple task without prodding. So, makakuha na sila mga simple task like makakuha na sila sa ilahang mga task nila. Then, 37 to 48 or 3 to 4 years old maybe distract but refocus on his own. So, kani siya murag ma-distract pa ni siya gamay sa ilahang kuan pero maka-refocus na dahil ni siya balik. Then, remain settled while leaning through a picture or book for 15 minutes. So, makakuha na sila mga attention diri ana. Maka-control na sila sa ilang attention sa ilahang pictures like 15 minutes. Kay ang bata kay dali ra man siya ma-bored. Sustain attention connection to tablet activity for 10 minutes and can work on the school assessment with minimal supervision. So ang bata ani ka makabalo na jud siya sa iyang mga task like iyang mga assessment na walay mutan-aw sa iya ha og mga kuan. So 49 to 60 months for 5 years old, sustain attention to concentration table tabletop activity to 15 20, and 20 minutes can work school assessment minimal supervision. So kani siya mura na jud tag nagbalik-balik ani atong ato ang kuan diri like ang bata ani kay makakuan na sila sa ilahang mga activity. So 37 months to 5 6 years old can work school assessment independently. So ang kanina stage ang bata ani makakuan na jud sila sa ilahang mga homework na wala na jud mutabang. So high order mental abilities concept formation. Standards 1. The children develop basic concept pertaining to object, continuity, space, time, quality, separation, etc. and use as the basis for understanding how material are recognized in his and her environment. So pasabot ani kay 31 to 36 months to 1 2 to 2 to half to 3 2 years old knows difference between recent event and what the happened long time ago. So kani maka kuan na siya sa iyahang utok na makabalo na siya unsay nahitabo sa una o present event na nahitabo karon. Cause 1 to 1 correspondence, then understand the concept of number quality relation for the through 5 hands over 5 object when asked. So makabalo na siya sa sa iyahang hands na unsay over 5 objects like lima ka bagay. Then group objects by shape, arrange objects by length, and arrange object according to the size can tell tell ay, wala. According arrange the what is two things are the same can tell the way two things differently. So kaning siya maka-recognize ni siya sa mga kuan sa mga shapes, length, like kuan unsay mga difference ani mga kuan na jud siya. So pikas na ta. So 37 mo na Japan siya more on kuan lang dyan na maka-tell siya unsay gwapa, unsay mga pretty o mga nice or maka-tell which is the left and right to himself, understand more and less, maka-understand na po siya, understand to concept conversation what rudimentary level. So maka-understand po siya sa mga istorya sa mga lain. Conversation siya. So 46 to 60 months 4 to 5 years old can tell which left and right facing him or her. Then understand concept number and quality relation to 1 to 10. Demonstrate concept addition of the using fingers or objects. Then concept subtraction using fingers. So makakuanan siya sa makagamit siya sa iyang fingers na sa i-subtract ba niya or additional. High order mental ability, cause and effect relationship. So this is the child standards one. The child is able to understand the causes, effect, and relationship. So murag makabalo na siya sa mga relationship ani. Can complete a simple pattern or big picture shapes. Occasionally guidance. So ang mga bata ni makabalo na siya sa mga simple pattern sa mga bread, mga beads or pictures or shape with causal guidance na pero naa Japan siya naa Japan matuglo sa iya ani. So to the 7 to 48 months, 3 to 4 years old, understand reason behind the rules, practice in schools, understand the reason behind rules and practice to the community like those pertaining to sanitation, environment, present servitation, etc. So makasabot ang bata ani na unsay mga rules sa mga community o mga schools. Memory memory is subject memory. So standards one, the child able to recall he has met event and place has been to. So ang 31 to 36 months, 2 to half to 3 years old talks about things happen during the particular event or occurred sometimes lang. So kani bring back memory siya or mga kuan istorya sa iya unsay nahitabo niya karon mo siya ang memory episodic memory. Memory. Memory of concept-based knowledge sentiment memory. Standards 1. The children is able to store verbal information in short and long-term memory. So, balik ng juta. 37 to 48 months, 33 to 4 years old, repeat 5 to 7 word sentence correctly. So, then memorize lyrics and of a short song and memorize a short rhyme short rhyme and reminds and many details of stories told or read. So makuan niya makamemorize na siya sa iyahang mga ganahan na music or mga ganahan na rhyme. Then remember guess and many details so makakuha na po siya sa mga story na ginabasa niya or mga nakita niya. 46-60 months for 4 to 5 years old can recite the day of the week without some errors. Remember lesson learned to school even after several days has passed. So kanina stage tapod kay ang mga bata ani ay more on makakuan sila sa recite nila sa ilahang mga ipang istorya na walay errors na walay mali o remind lesson learned and event after several days so makahinumdum niya pon sila sa ilahang mga past lessons. 6 to 71 months or 5 or 6 years old can recite this with no errors can recite of months of the years of some errors. So, mora siya, nagbalik-balik na Japon siya sa sa 46 to 60 months. So, can relate days of weeks with no errors. Can recite the months of the year without errors. So, makakuan Japon siya, kahinumdum siya. High order mental abilities logical reasoning. Standards 1. The child is able to follow the logic or event or reason why this happens and draws accurate conclusion by evaluating the facts presented to him. So 31 to 36 months or 2.5, 3 years old can complete a simple pattern like bands, picture, shape, or visual guidance. Or balik na nila. 37 to months and years old can tell silly or wrong with absurd picture scenes. So then relate experience sequences or as the scenes can appreciate humors, stories or joke, and his or her peers also find funny or liquid and powdered detergents. So mao ni siya mga mga dark humors or humors na mga amigo niya na mga stories. So can state opposite relationship so makakuan po ni siya sa mga kuan. So balik naman. Can you give some reason why he is like something or not? Can argue point, stance logically, can complete a simple pattern or base picture shape without guidance. So 49 to 60 months, 4, 5 or years old know a certain elements remain same event and their position change. And so, muna siya, morning last ko na mo. So, that's all. Thank you. Palungan. Ah! Tatugon man ko, sakit ang tutulan.